In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a drop-down menu in Google Docs. If you want to make your document more organized, interactive, and easier to update, adding a drop-down menu is a great option. This is especially useful for things like tracking progress, review stages, or any section where you want people to choose from a set list instead of typing manually. To get started, open your Google Docs document. Once you're inside the document, click in the exact spot where you want the drop-down menu to appear. This part is important because the menu will be inserted wherever your cursor is placed. So if you're creating a form, checklist, or status tracker, take a second to position it carefully before moving on. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the Insert menu, look for Smart Chips and select it. Then choose Dropdown. This opens the drop-down feature in Google Docs and gives you access to ready-made options you can use right away. At this point, you can choose one of the preset drop-down menus. For example, you might see options like Project Status or Review Status. These built-in choices are helpful if you want to save time and use a common structure without creating everything from scratch. Once you select one, the drop-down will be added directly into your document. If you want to customize it, Google Docs makes that easy as well. Click on the drop-down you just inserted. Then select Add Edit Options or click the edit icon if it appears. From there, you can make changes to fit your document exactly the way you want. You can add new options, remove options you don't need, rename existing choices, or reorder them so they appear in the best sequence for your workflow. After making your edits, click Save to apply the changes. Your updated drop-down menu will then be ready to use right inside the document. A helpful tip here is to keep your option names short and clear so the menu stays easy to read. Drop-downs work best when each choice is distinct and immediately understandable. That way, anyone using the document can make a selection quickly without confusion. And that's all it takes to insert and edit a drop-down menu in Google Docs. Once you've done it once, it becomes a fast and practical way to improve collaboration and keep documents neat and consistent.